Hello everyone, my name is Lim Juin Wei and we are from Group Geng Python Besar and I am the group leader of Group Geng Python Besar. Today, our group will present the group project of Object-Oriented Programming. This project is to design a food ordering system in Python to allow sellers to advertise their food and to allow buyers to order and pay food. Now, our group member will explain and demonstrate how the system runs.
Hello, I'm Zhi Wern and I'll be explaining how we used an object-oriented approach to create the software. First of all, we created a class, which is where we define all our login functions, which restricts or allows users, depending on whether they are a buyer or seller, from accessing certain features. Meanwhile, in the main.py file, we added all the necessary functions to run the code, such as splash screen and all the variables within the constructor, so that we can access certain data that is needed to run the app.
Thank you, Zhi Wern. So my name is Adli Naufal and now I will demo the code. So when you run the code, this is the main page. Welcome to Foodify. So first of all, we have the option if you're a seller or a buyer. Once you choose the type, the system has prompted a login or sign up page. Okay, let's see if I choose as a seller first. So in order to do that, you must enter seller's shop's password because to safekeeping the seller's database. So let's input the round password 12345 and this will be the input, so that the other people than the seller cannot enter the shop as a seller. So let's rerun the program and enter as a seller again and input the correct password. Then we have come to the login to the seller's shop, and you can choose whether you want to log in or sign up. Now I pass to Ilhan.
So as a seller, as this is my first time to the shop, so I will sign up. Okay, so it is prompted with a username, so I have to create username. Okay, Ilhan. Yeah, okay. And then my password is 1234567. And yes. So as you can see, actually our password follow many other social platforms where we have a minimum requirement. The minimum requirement is more than 6 characters, and that is why my password is 7 characters. Okay, moving on. After you have signed up, you are instantly logged in. From there we have the option add menu, remove menu, see menu and clear menu. So we're gonna try to add menu. Okay, let's try buttermilk. $10. Okay, success. New food added to the menu. Then we have the same thing to remove menu, but we're not gonna do that. We're just gonna see is buttermilk in the menu. So press option number 3, and there it is, buttermilk with the price of $10 is in the menu. So as a seller, that's all the options that we have, which is to add menu, remove menu, see menu, and finally we have the clear menu, which deletes everything in the seller database, which we are not going to do. So now moving on to Ariff for buyer login.
Okay, so I'm gonna explain about the buyer part. So first of all, we need to choose that I'm a customer, so we put number 2, and then we are going to sign up. So okay, I create my username Ariff, my password 1234567. Okay, from there on it will show all the menu that are available, such as ice cream, satay, and also the price for it. First, if you want to add any item of your choice, we will just write the food item. For example, the sky juice, nasi lemak, and also the sirap bandung. Once you have confirmed what you want to order, we can exit. After you exit, it will show your total order, which is 152, and then you can pay. That is all. It will show that your delivery will arrive in 30 minutes. So next, I will pass it to Melvyn.
Thank you, Ariff. My name is Melvyn, and I'll be talking about problems we faced during this project. So one of the problems that we encountered while doing this project was the login page. For the login page, we did not know how to create a code that could store and read the database with crucial information such as the usernames and passwords of the user. Moreover, the code could not detect whether an invalid password was entered by the user. This made it difficult to identify the correct details of the user. To resolve this issue, we had to team up and brainstorm for a few hours to come up with a proper solution. So next, I would like pass it to Adam to continue.
Alright, thank you, Melvyn. Now I will continue from him. So another problem that we had was counting the price of the selected items. The problem came as data was from a database, so calculating the price was not that simple. The data was kept in a text file. So Adli, can you show the food database text file? Okay, so this is the food database text file. And so in order to submit, we need to convert the text file into a dictionary because data saved in the file is in string type. So after converting it into dictionary, then only we can calculate the grand total, which is in integer type. I would like to pass to Lim.
Yeah, so thank you for Adam. That's all from our group today, and thank you for watching. Have a nice day.